everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at a beautiful 1969 Chevrolet Camaro SS. This is a matching numbers big block car, guys. Killer car. I sold this car a little over a year ago to a gentleman down in Texas, but originally out of Tennessee. I want to say there's less than 500, but I know there's less than 1,000 miles on this car. Underwent a complete body up restoration. Very nicely done, guys. Factory Hugger Orange, code 72, so Hugger Orange. It was a factory ivory interior. They've added the white Hounds Tooth. White top, but again, matching numbers, 396, 350 horse. They've upped the cam a little bit, added four-wheel disc brakes. It's got tubular upper and lower control arms, but all the front suspension's brand new. It's got all new brake lines, you name it. Even the subframe bushings are new in the car. But again, this is a factory, code 72, Hugger Orange, true matching numbers SS Camaro convertible. Nice car. I saw a couple little stone pecks, just some little things like that you can kind of nitpick on the car, but really a good car. Front and rear spoilers. You can see it's got new bumpers on it. Something, guys, has come off probably off the roof or something. Doggone it, there's stuff everywhere. A really nice car. Again, factory white interior. They've added the Hounds Tooth. Power top, it works good. It's a new top. Again, rear spoilers. Or rear spoiler, I should say, sorry. Front and rear spoilers. It's got the little bumperettes. It's got 18 and 20 inch American Racing Torque Thrust 2 wheels. Again, four-wheel disc brakes. Kind of rushing the guys. I'm going to try to knock out. We've been just buried by the snow and stuff, so I'm going to try to knock out some advertising today, guys. So I'm kind of rushing the guys, but if I don't get stuff done, I'm leaving tomorrow to head out to a show, so I know people are begging for cars to get advertised. Again, matching numbers, 396, 350 horse. They've upgraded the cam. It's got a Holley Performance dual feed 4-barrel on it. Weiand Warrior aluminum intake, stock exhaust manifolds, power steering, power four-wheel disc brakes. It's got a Protronics Flamethrower HEI distributor in it. You can see it's got speed tech, tubular upper and lower control arms. It's got a hammer coat front sway bar on it. Again, all new brake lines, all new front suspension. It's got 4-corner KYB shocks on it. 400 turbohydramatic trans. I couldn't find the numbers on there. I don't think that's got the original trans in it, but it does have a 69 Camaro 12-bolt rear end in it, so I'd say that's all correct. Well, we got something's in the air flying around. Although we got 10 inches of snow. We got everything flying off our building. New mirrors, new door handles. Yeah, a couple of little marks on your interior. Bucket seats, console. It's got tilt wheel, tilt sport wheel. Again, power top. 85,504, that's on your odometer. Factory tach and gauge car. It's got an aftermarket AM/FM radio, Flowmaster dual exhaust. It is a multi-leaf 12 bolt 355 limited slip rear end. Boot for the top. It's got the original weights for the convertible in it still. See, it's all spackle coated in the trunk. Make sure I don't pull any wires out. This Camaro's got those huge trunk mats in them. Car's very nice underneath, guys. It's got a nice little cam to it. It's got the wood grain trim. I know one little thing we got in here, we're gonna have to see if we can shim the starter. Starter's making a little noise when we start it. Go ahead, Jordan. And then I know the wiper motor wasn't working. So we'll check on that stuff, see what we find out. Nice little cam to it. Car hits good. Remember that little split. It's got a split there in your paint. You see that? I don't know what, it's got to be coming off our roof. I don't know what it is. Tach works. Go ahead and put your power top up. It's got the plastic rear window. Again, top's nice. That's good, Jordan. Radio works, blower motor works, gauges are all working. Again, we got to check on the wipers. Steve thinks it might have a bad switch in there. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram or our Facebook page. Definitely, you can subscribe to our YouTube page. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you can get a notification every time I post a new one of these videos. Have a great day, guys.